I already know that I am adding or subtracting fractions, so I'm going to get a common denominator. But before I do that, I have to factor everything. This one I can't factor. I'm going to separate things a little bit. This one would be x times x plus 6. So those pieces are the same. I have to multiply this one by x. And then I don't like this, so I'm going to change it to adding a negative 2 over, and I can't factor this, x minus 4. I spread them out because I'm going to write stuff. So this piece is missing the x. We already decided that. But also an x minus 4, right? So I'm going to put that there, x minus 4. And then it's really times the x and x minus 4. It's nice that there's a 1 there because it really doesn't change much or anything. What is this one missing? Yeah, x minus 4. And then this last one, an x and an x plus 6. So I have to have an x and an x plus 6. Here's the thing with equations. We have common denominators, and eventually if I have like something like a 4x, this is I'm making this up, and something over 4x, eventually I'd be able to cancel that out, right? So whenever we do have common denominators, we don't have to write them because they will always cancel out. So that's what I'm going to do. That's the shortcut. So here I would have x squared minus 4x. There is a 1 in front of this, but it doesn't really matter if we write it or not. Equals, because that equals sign. X minus 4. And then minus 2x squared minus 12x. Now everything should be, it should be getting easier from here on out. Hopefully. Could be, yeah. So, what next then? Well, first I see that I have like terms, right? And then you're going to move everything to one side. So I'll just rewrite stuff. I like to have my x squareds first, and then minus 11x minus 4. I would move everything to the left side because my negative 2x squared, it's negative, and I want it to be positive. So I'm going to add 2x squared. And then I have 3x squared. I'll add 11x to both sides. And I'll add 4. So I get 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 plus 7x plus 4 equals 0. Why did I have 4? Because I had it over here. And I wanted to move everything to one side. Yeah? Okay. Then what can I do on this? Yeah, big X. I would try to factor out a 3 maybe, so I can try and use the shortcut, but it doesn't work here. So I would have 3 times 4, that's 12 on top, and then 7 in the bottom, that's 3 and 4. So 3x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 4. I rewrote this middle term to be those two terms. And then it still equals 0. Do the step. So I get 3x plus 4 times x plus 1. And I set each piece equal to 0. If I set x plus 1 equal to 0, I get x equals negative 1. And if I set 3x plus 4 equal to 0, I get x equals negative 4 over 3 if you just move that over and then divide by 3. Questions on that? So my two answers are there.